In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the NordVPN without an email. So let's just try doing that. Now you can see on the top right side, we have our account settings, and in here we have our account settings. Let's just hop onto that. And here you can see we have multi-factor authentication, account details, and we have this option of changing our password. So let's just click onto that. And you can see we need to open our Gmail. So this is the only way that you're going to be doing that. So if you want to change password without knowing your email, you're going to be needing to contact their official Nord support system. And also, I have big offer for you guys. If you head over to the link in the description of this video, you will be getting 70% off on NordVPN. So make sure to give it a try, and it is going to be helping you guys a lot. So I hope this helps. Stay tuned for more and see you around in the next video.